This is my review of Forex Beginners Academy taught by instructor Saad Ali. This course is a series of YouTube videos that's put together by Saad Ali that take you through each aspect of learning to tell what's going on in the markets, learning to set up a demo account, set up TradingView, set up an account there. He teaches you how to mark up your charts, how to find trend lines, how to find channels, market structure. He walks you through all these things, Fibonacci retracements. He takes you through all these things step by step. And not only does he tell you about them, he shows you through his videos how to actually find these things on the charts, how to mark them up on your chart in TradingView. And the list goes on about what you learn through this course, from support and resistance, on different time frames, from the monthly, daily, weekly, hourly. He teaches you how to see the correlation between the different time frames. He teaches you risk management. I mean, this course covers it all, covers just about everything. And the best part about it is it's all free. It doesn't cost you anything. So if you're looking to get into Forex or learn about Forex, this is definitely a good place to start. It's been very informative for me. I searched for a long time looking for information on Forex before I came across this course. And what I would find was that people would tell you what they were doing or give you some kind of insight as to what they were doing, but they wouldn't actually show you what to do. And I'm a very visual learner, so I think that being able to watch Saad on the video actually show you the markups and him mark up a chart in front of you while he's telling you what he's doing, you can also see what he's doing. The other very powerful thing about this course is there is a student group that he also has on Facebook that he will invite you to be a member of after you've completed a certain amount of the course. And you can actually take the charts that you mark up and post them in the student group, and the student group will, Saad himself and the student group will also critique your charts. So not only do you have someone showing you what to do, but they also tell you whether you're doing it right on your end. When you mark up your chart and you submit it to the student group, then the student group can look at it and Saad Ali can look at it and he'll critique it. He'll tell you, okay, well, you got this right, or hey, you need to do this, and this is where you missed it. You might want to look at this again. But there are numerous things I have learned from this course that have taught me a lot that I feel like I haven't learned anywhere else in all the looking I've done. I think that this course is very thorough. It is very fulfilling and has tons of great information. So, you know, after you complete the course to a certain point, Saad Ali will then give you a trading strategy, his trading strategy. He will teach that to you so that you can get started. So, I mean, I think that this is just a great place to start. I think it's a wonderfully put together course. It has definitely taught me tons and tons more than I have learned anywhere else. And I'm looking forward to moving forward with what I've learned and becoming a successful trader. So thanks, Saad, and I appreciate the course, and I'm enjoying it, and I look forward to more trading and more learning. Thanks.